Hi guys, we are SRLM stars. S for Shrikant, R for Renuka, L for Lachana and M for Maurya stars. Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Friends, we have already showed the road trip part to Al Qurein Lulu Hyper. If you haven't seen it, it was our last video. If you haven't seen it, please click the I button which is popping up right now. So guys, let us go and see the shopping vlogs which we have shooted. So friends, now we are standing outside Lulu Hypermarket in Qurein. As you can see over there, my brother and father are standing and they are waving towards us. And this building is very huge building. Now it has been a very long time since we have came here. It has been like over 6 months since we have came here, I think. And let us enter. So when we enter Qurein, you will first of all see a huge ship. Over here only we will be eating our food and all. So friends, as you can see, it's very big. Over to the left of the ship, there is a shop called Nasir. It is a sports shop, and over here we have a toys and cotton candy shop. To the right of the ship, here is Lulu Hypermarket. So now we are going to enter this Lulu Hypermarket only. It has everything such as from food items to clothes. So in the entrance of Lulu Hypermarket, they gave us gloves and sanitizer. As you can see, if without gloves, we are not allowed to enter the hypermarket. We are also supposed to wear a mask. Everyone is wearing a glove. Wearing gloves. Now we are about to enter Lulu Hypermarket. So friends, now we are entering Lulu Hypermarket. So we are going inside. So to the right of the entrance, there is a place called customer service, and to the left we have the cashier. And friends, Lulu Qurein has a special feature in which instead of escalators, it has like a walkway kind of thing, in which the trolley locks itself and we don't need to hold the trolley, it will just go up. So it is a really special feature. Yeah, in all places in Qurein are like this only. And see their friends, very nice, cute and snowman and tree. They decorated very beautifully. And friends, see down also there are many floors to this building also. And here's the snowman up close. So friends, we are going to go to the top section of the building because we need to buy clothes first. Then we will go to the bottom section. So here is the overview of the top section. So we will enter and there will be a lot of clothes over here. So let us see what kind of clothes we have. So now we are actually walking through the men's section. So you can see that there are a lot of caps, shirts, pants and all. It's very nice to see all of them. They have arranged it very neatly. You can see there are a lot of shelves with clothes and it's all very nice to look. So over here there is half back sale, in which like if we buy something we will get half of the money back. So as see, this is the men's section and there are a lot of shirts everywhere. Friends, the half to back like sale means that if we buy a clothing piece for 20 KD, we will get 10 KD back. And now we are in the women's section. Over here there's a lot of gowns, shirts, pants, skirts, everything. It looks a lot very beautiful. This green color is very looking good. And look at that hoodie over there. I also like the blue color over here. They all look very good. They have arranged it color wise also. So friends, here are some pants. They have arranged this also color wise, and we have came to the bag and shoe section. Here are some ornaments. Wow, there are so many ornaments. They look so beautiful. I want to buy all of them. There are also earrings over here. There are earrings, there are necklaces, there is everything over here. In this shop, there's everything. Over here, there are some headbands and headscarves. And we are now at the kids section, I think. So friends, now we are going to look at some shorts and jackets. These pants look very nice. I think these are shorts. Yeah, these shorts look very nice. The top one is very good. And here are some skinny fits pants. And here is a denim jacket which looks very beautiful. More shorts. Some shoes are under that. And here are more shorts and pants. Wow, that looks good. And as you can see, there are a lot of clothes over here. I like the black polka dot shirt over there and the yellow one too in the background. It looks very good. And see, Daddy and Maurya are coming towards us now. This red color skirt is also looking very nice. And look at these handbags. So many bags. Wow. There's so many handbags in different colors and all. Yeah, black, red and white and all. I like the black color bag over here. So friends, over here, depending on the quality of the bag, the rate will be different. If you come and select a very good quality bag, the rate will be a little higher. And if you select a okay kind of bag, the rate will be lower than the good quality bag. So now we are checking on some stuff. So over here there's some ear mufflers, and I found some cute small bags which I am standing there and looking at them now. So mom is showing some of the more clothes, and there are so many shoes too. See, I bought this bag. It looks very cute. I attached it to the pink bag which is I was already wearing. I also bought this necklace which looked very cute. It matched the bag, the small bag. So I just bought it. It looked very beautiful. You can see this. It's very beautiful. And the small bag also matched my big bag. So yeah. It is only 1 kg. Both of them are 1 kg only. And look, there are so many shoes. Wow. And here are some heels over there. We wanted to buy some, but they were not even fitting us, so we did not get. And here are some more pants and half back sales for these clothes also. As you can see, so many clothes are here. And see friends, more hoodies and shirts and track pants and all. We also have, this is branded clothing, so you can get all of these in one place itself. All kind of brands. Now we are at the kids section, I guess, because all the shirts are looking very small. Yeah, see friends, we are at the kids section now, and it looks, all these shirts and all looks very beautiful. They have arranged it very neatly, color wise also. It looks very good. So my mother is now showing me wearing heels. It was fitting me, but the heels were too high for me, so I did not buy them. But I actually want heels so bad. So it was like too high for me. As you can see friends, it was too high for me, so I did not buy those heels. So friends, over here there are so many bangles. Wow! And here is some headscarf on top. There are some earrings also. They look very beautiful. So many earrings are here. And here are more earrings over there also. No, these are hair clips. These look very beautiful. There are so many headbands arranged color wise. Here are some earring sets. So many of them. And over here there are some combs, and here are more earrings and sets, more combs and hair clips. Even scrunchies are there. Here are more necklaces. They look so beautiful. Wow. Oh my god, they look so beautiful. They have showcased them so beautifully. On top of the necklaces there are some bags, and bottom of them there are some bangles. They look very beautiful. Even the bangles have been showcased so nicely. So beautiful. Wow. My personal favorite is the one like which has the big, like a big thing. It looks very beautiful. This is a set, and here are some more bangles. Maurya is standing here. Hi, Maurya. He can't hear me though. So here are some more necklaces in showcase. Some bracelets and earrings. More watches and bangles. Some more necklaces and all. Here is Mummy. Hi, Mummy. Hi. So Mummy is like standing, and she's recording herself with Maurya. She's calling Maurya, and I have arrived. Yay! So now I went away. Mummy looks very nice in this outfit. We both bought the same outfit and we are wearing them together. So friends, my mother is showing around the place with her face. It looks very beautiful. As you can see friends, now we are in the school area. There are some ear masks and all, and there are more bags. So friends, here are some kurtis. They look very beautiful. They have arranged it very neatly. There are very lot of different types of kurtis, different patterns, different designs. So friends, I am actually folding a kurti because I just checked it and it looked very nice, but we did not like the color of the kurti, so we just kept it back where it was. There's so many colors. You can see there's green, there's red, there's yellow, there's blue, there's black, there's white, there's brown, there's many colors. And here there are more kurtis over here. Here there are more like a dress kind of kurti. And now we are going into the sari and chudidar area. Here there are more kind of kurtis over here. Very small ones and big ones also. Very kid size is also there over here. As you can see, many kurtis and chudidars and saris are over here. Now there are also pants and blouse also. Now we are going to enter the chudidar area. So first of all we need to go inside, and over here there are a lot of chudidars. From here I bought one of them and it looked very beautiful. There are more kurtis over here. You can see a lot of them. This blue color was my favorite, but my mother did not like it, so we did not buy it. There are many kurtis over here. More chudidars, more kurtis, everything for North Indians, everything is there. There are also pants on top. From here only I got the white chudidar which I bought. All of them look very beautiful. Anyone can come here and do shopping and they will definitely find a proper dress for them. And this mannequin looks very beautiful with this navy blue color chudidar, and this light blue color chudidar mannequin was also very beautiful, so I decided to take a video with it. It looked very nice. So friends, now we are inside the sari area, and over here there are a lot of saris. My mother even bought a beautiful sari from here. And see friends, Kanchipuram silk sari, normal silk sari, cotton sari, all kinds of saris. Maria is even sitting on one of the places. And see friends, so many saris. And one uncle will be there and he will like put all the saris on the white cushion and he will show us it all. So many saris are over here. Wow! Stacks of saris. This side is full of cotton saris. Here are some cotton saris. So friends, that side is for fully silk saris. As you can see, all of these are silk saris only, and the ones which are unwrapped are Kanjipuram silk saris, which are very costly and very good. And here the uncle is opening some of the saris so that we can show it to you guys. He's opening one of them. This is a normal silk sari. we are going to choose one of these sarees from here only. So uncle is opening this black and pink color saree now. This one is my favorite. My mother also likes this saree a lot, but we did not want to wear black for Diwali, so we did not buy this saree. It is so beautiful color. This saree was 51 kb. It looked very beautiful. So now uncle is going to open more sarees. So friends, like this neon saree is one of my favorite. Now uncle is going to open another saree. He is going to open the Kanchipuram silk saree. This saree has pink and green color. And he is also opening another saree. He is opening this brown and this golden color saree. This saree also looked very good. But this is not one of my favorites because I did not like the brown color that much. But it was an okay kind of saree. Like you can wear this casually for any festival. And now uncle is opening another green color saree with the pink color. This was one of my favorite sarees. As you can see, the green color was so shiny, but it was so shiny in real life. Wow, it is so shiny. And the pink color gave it a very beautiful contrast. I like this a lot. And uncle is opening the best saree of them all. This is 104 kd huge Kanchipuram silk saree, which is my favorite. But we were not able to buy it because it was very costly. See friends, if you had seen this in real life, you would have been like, wow. It is my favorite saree. I like this a lot. This was like the colors were very shiny and it was pure silk, so I liked it a lot. He's opening another yellow color saree. This is a normal silk saree and this is like more of like a normal like everyday kind of silk saree. If you wear silk sarees every day, you would have wearing this one. So friends, now these sarees are the ones he opened for now, and we will choose one of them. Now friends, the saree collection is over and we chose one of them. So this one mom tried. So now we are going down to so that we can get some groceries. Here are some milk items. So friends, here are more of the dairy items. Many milk products are over here. Friends, we were not able to cover the whole mall. There are many floors for this mall. We had no time, the time was very short, so we had to just shoot the areas where we were going to buy stuff, and so we are uploading that only. But next time we will surely upload the whole mall. Now we saw some salads. We are now here at the food area. Over here we can get food and we can go to the ship and eat them. That is my favorite part of coming to Kurain because you can't get that experience anywhere else. Here are some vegetables, tomatoes, like lettuce. Here is some more greens, and here are some lines. Yeah, Indian vegetables. Many Indian vegetables are here. Yeah, brinjal, cucumber. Maurya is standing there, and here are some food. Yeah, here are some food items, and here are meat items such as chicken, beef, lamb, mutton. Everything is over here, and here is more food items. Maurya is playing with the trolley. So friends, we bought some snacks and now we are on the ship. We are in the top of the ship, and over here you can see the NASA store top floor. We are on the ship now, and as you can see, Maurya and I am sitting together, and this is the big pole of the ship. It's in the between, and over here many people come sit down and eat their food. Maurya is inside the railing. He's having fun. Yeah, he's playing. Yeah, mom is telling, come out, come out, come out. Now, as you can see, the view is so beautiful from top. You can see everyone walking and going outside and coming inside and putting sanitizer and mask. As you can see, you can also go and get a cotton candy from that shop down there, and then you can come here and eat it. It will be very nice. And here is the outer view of the ship. Here's the big pole which I said. There are two big poles and which is connected to the ship with rope. And I am sitting with Mummy and Maurya is recording. And now he's going to do a magic trick, okay? So let us see the trick. He's saying, so we should act as if we are dead. So like he will do like that, and then we have to act as if we are dead. So let us see what he's making us do. Do, Maurya, do it. See, Mommy, like the crocodile is going to eat. Now Mummy is also going to try. Maurya is teaching how to do. Mummy flop, 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 flop. The crocodile did not even eat us. I was so tired, so I was not like very interested in this. Now we are again going down. To go down the ship, we have to use an escalator. To go up also, we need to use an escalator. As you can see, there's some toy shop and Daddy is standing there. I am going down. Yeah, Maurya was inside the toy shop and I am going to Daddy. So now I am walking somewhere and Maurya is playing with the toys and I am coming to Maurya now. And now I am again coming to Mummy. Now friends, again we are in Lulu hypermarket. Now we are buying some vegetables so that we can go home and eat. Like we can cook food. So we got, here are some bananas, some drumsticks, all vegetables. There are so many vegetables over here. You can, it's like a normal grocery store in Lulu. Here are some apples. My favorite fruit is apple, banana, orange and mango. Orange juice only, but not like. And here are some fruits and food and all. They give a lot of dessert items over here. Instead of the pickles, food. Here are some potato. No, these are some sausages. I'm sorry, it's not a potato. Then here are some more pickles. Here are pickles. A lot of them are there. This is cheese, my favorite cheese. Yum, so much cheese. I did not even see this when I was in shop. Here are some more. This is some dessert area where you will get ice cream. My favorite dessert. It's very yummy. I don't think. Salad. I think this is, now here we are in the food area again. More some salads. Feta cheese salad. It looks very nice. And here they are giving us small salads so that we can have it as a snack. And here are some more salads. Biryani. This is biryani and soup. This is biryani, I think. Okay, these are some more salads over here. So here are some more cheese. My favorite cheese. More cheese. Some dairy products. Many dairy products are here. Slices of cheese are also there. Blocks of cheese are also there. And here are again, we are next to fruits. This is sugar cane, my favorite. Like, I don't like it too much, but I like it. Watermelon, melon, mangoes, yummy. I was trying to smell one of them, but I was not able to find if it was ripe or not. So let me see. I will show you guys later. Yeah, see. I'm not able to find which is ripe. This one. I found it. Yay! I somehow found it that it was ripe. And now I was thirsty, so I'm drinking water. Here are some mushrooms. I did not understand when I touched them. They were so bouncy. For some reason, see, look. See, they were so bouncy. So friends, here are the things which we bought. So friends, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hi friends, thank you for watching this video. Here are more videos and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.